Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Misha Wang. If you're new here, welcome, join the family, click the subscribe button down below. So today I'll be showing you how I got this makeup look. Stick around.
On king, job king, young rich, murder, yeah.
Hey guys, what's up, what's going on? Alright, so I've done my eyebrows and I'm about to go ahead and start this look. Alright, so guys, so initially I wanted this to be a neon green kind of look, but everything was going wrong today, and so I had to switch things up to the purple looking look that you had seen at the start of the video. Alright, so I was testing out this elf concealer that I got. It's my first time trying something from elf. This is really pigmented, like it's really thick, like it feels really good guys on the skin, but my only problem is that it is too light for my highlights, and so that's why I used it as a base for my eyeshadow. Alright, so guys, this is after I tried the green on my eye and I removed it. After doing that and started doing this eye look, I realized that the recording wasn't being done, and so I lost all the footage from me doing my eyeshadow. I decided I'm going to persevere. I am going to go on, and so I am going to show you how I'm gonna show you this look still. And you know how I do my eyes already. At first you do your transition and then you go ahead and cut your crease, and I used my what is it, my NYX, that white NYX eyeshadow base. Yes, that's what I used to cut my crease, and then I went ahead with that light purple color from the Colorpop palette, right, to do this look. All right, and I showed you just now how I added the glitter in the crease. All right, so I just put some glue and I used the swatch from glue from a glitter pen, and that's what I use as a guide to add the glue in the crease, and then I go ahead with the glitter, and I use some silver chunky glitters. I really didn't know that the silver would complement the purple so well, because I really like how the silver glitters look on the purple eyeshadow. Alright, so right now I'm just lining my eyes and I'll be applying my lashes off camera, and you know how to apply lashes because I've already done a video on eyelash application, strip lash application. So if you have not seen that yet, then go ahead and check that video out. I'll be using the Lechamp Cosmetics Foundation today. I'll be doing a review on the foundation at the end of the video, so stick around for that. I've started to use the calamine lotion. You know, I look for bargains, so I use the Jamaican version of the calamine lotion, and it works perfectly fine for me. I might do a review or I might do a video talking about it sometime, but since I've started using the calamine lotion to set my face, I haven't gone back. Alright, so I am now just cleaning up my liner, and then I'm gonna go ahead with my Lechamp foundation for my face. Yeah, and that's about it. I just use one pump of the foundation, and that was good enough for me. Alright, it gave me the coverage that well, you'll hear about it at the end of the video. But guys, guess what? Nothing was going right for this video. I really wanted to do a sit down chit chat get ready with me video. Like I've done this video 3 times. This is the 3rd time doing the video, and I decided, hey, I'll just do a voiceover. You know what I mean? Because I tried to do this video so many times, like everything was going wrong. Like, you know, they say sometimes when things are going wrong, they tell you just give up, but no, they also say when things are going wrong, you prove whatever it is wrong, and you persevere and you go on and you push through. And I really needed to do that because I had some obligations to meet, and so, you know, when I need to get things done, like I have all these videos and I do edit them, I need to get them out. Alright, I need to get them out and be consistent and showing you guys all these videos that I'm doing, you know what I mean? Alright, so I'm using my Maybelline concealer for my highlights, and then I'm going to be doing my contour. I'll be using the black Radiance palette for my contour today. You'll see later down. So as I was saying, I really wanted this to be a chit chat kind of video. Like, I was there talking and talking to you guys. Only I was really talking to you guys because the recording wasn't being done. Alright, so I am thinking I'm gonna be doing a sit down chit chat kind of video for you guys, because I don't know, I think that I'll feel even more connected when I do like a chit chat. You'll feel closer to me. I don't know what you guys think, just let me hear. I want to hear you guys suggestion as well on some videos that you want for me to do. I know that this is so off topic, but I'm just setting my face right now with my powder, my face powder over my face, and then I do my contour. But yeah guys, I just want you guys to feel a part, and I also want to feel a part. I want you guys to interact with me some more. I want you guys to leave your comments. I want you guys to share my videos. I want you guys to slide in my DMs asking me questions, makeup, life, anything at all. Like, I just want to feel like I want to feel a part. Guys, won't you make me feel a part? Like, alright, so I'm doing my blush right now, and then I'll apply my highlights after. You know the drill. Removing the powder from my face and then set on everything. But guys, thank you so much for your support. I'm almost at 1K subscribers, so I need some more I need some more support. Sorry, I need some more support. I need you guys to be sharing my video. But yeah, I feel like I need to do some chit chat videos some more. I need to practice that some more. My goal for joining YouTube was to really like talk up some more, and I feel like I'll be talking up more when I'm actually talking in the camera, and that's just me being goofy. Like, I really don't take myself that seriously, guys. I might look serious on the outside, but I really don't take myself that seriously. I like to laugh and have fun, and you know. So yeah, that's just me being goofy. So yeah guys, I need to be hearing from you. I feel like I'm repeating myself, so I'll just go ahead and continue with the tutorial. I'm just lining my lips right now, and I use brown. That's the same brown that I use for my eyeliner. No, not eyeliner, my eyebrows. Yeah, and I've learned a trick, and I learned this trick. Well, it's something that I used to do before, but I used to say like, this is not right, I shouldn't be doing this. But then I was watching a video from this YouTuber, I really don't remember her name, but she does makeup, she does client makeup, and she said like, when you can't really find your shade in nude lippy, you can just go ahead and use a concealer. That's hey guys, what I did. Alright, so I'm at the end of this video, and I want to share with you this product, the Lechamp Cosmetics Foundation. Alright, so that's a foundation that I use today, and it is vegan. It says that on the bottle, and it's liquid foundation. Clearly it has SPF. This is SPF 30. All right guys, so it's important to note that it's vegan, and it is a matte liquid foundation. That's what I use today, and my first impression from using this foundation is that it is weightless. I must say that, like, I must say that right now, it is weightless. It did give me good coverage, even though it's weightless, because we don't really find that in a foundation that gives you full coverage or good coverage, and it's not really heavy on the skin. Most times they're heavy on the skin. All right, so I used this foundation for this look today. I hope you liked this look. For the Lechamp Cosmetics, well, they don't only sell foundations, they have other items such as pressed powders. You can check out their and setting sprays, all like other things, as it says cosmetics. All right, so you can check them out. You can check their website. It's Lechamp Cosmetics, I think it is. Just let me check on that. Right, it's www.lechampcosmetics.com. They do have discount code. You can use my 10% discount code. It is 10% Lechamp. All right, so you can use this code for money off. It's Lechamp 10 for the 10% off of your order. All right guys, so I'll put this down. I'll put the discount code in the description as well, and this is what came in the package, as well as I also got this eye mask, which I'm absolutely in love with. It says 24K crystal collagen eye mask, and it gives you the directions, it gives you the ingredients, and as I said, their products are vegan, so you don't have to worry about that part. It says eyes that sparkle, speak more than 100 words. This innovative eye care sensation is formulated with pure gold, and you can see that it's rich. The formula is rich right there with gold. By ingredients and active elements which instantly moisturizes, rehydrates, and regenerates your eye area. So if you want to liven up, like liven up your eye area, you want to give your eye area that spark again, because you know sometimes when we get tired it do show in our eyes, then this mask is best for you. Like, it's good for you. All right, so that's it guys. Let me tell you, what else do I want to say about the Lechamp foundation? The LCC liquid foundation are soft matte. They're vegan, which I said already. SPF 30 and completely lightweight. Alright, and I must say again, like, it is lightweight. SPF 30, it has SPF 30, so that's very good for us in the tropical area. So you guys, make sure you check that out. It comes in 10 shades and are natural based, and are named based on the cities across the globe that our fine sisters make an impact. It is also waterproof, so if I'm supposed to dab some water or some water is supposed to drip on my face, then I don't have to worry about my makeup like running off. Alright, so guys, this is the end of the video. I want to thank you so much for staying with me. Like, I've tried 3 different times to do this video. 3rd time's a charm, isn't it? It's because I'm absolutely in love with this look. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe guys. I'm on my way to 1K. Like, why don't you get me to 1K? Like, why aren't you sharing my videos? Why aren't you telling other people about my videos? Like, why are you this far and they're not subscribed? Go ahead and click that subscribe button, as well as the like button, as well as the share button guys. Thank you so much for watching.